Acne is one of the most common skin conditions affecting people of all ages. Whether you're dealing with occasional breakouts or persistent acne, it can be frustrating and impact your confidence. The good news is that there are simple and effective ways to manage and reduce acne. In this article, we will explore 8 easy ways to clear up your acne and achieve healthier, clearer skin. 1. Keep your face clean. One of the most fundamental steps to preventing and treating acne is maintaining good facial hygiene. Washing your face twice a day helps remove excess oil, dirt, and dead skin cells that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Tips for washing your face. 1. Use a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser suitable for your skin type. 2. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as it can irritate the skin and worsen acne. 3. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water to prevent drying out your skin. 4. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel instead of rubbing it. 5. Consider double cleansing at night to remove makeup and sunscreen effectively. 6. Use a separate towel for your face to prevent bacteria from spreading. 2. Moisturize regularly. Many people with acne-prone skin avoid moisturizers, fearing they will make their skin oilier. However, moisturizing is essential for maintaining skin hydration and preventing overproduction of oil. Choosing the right moisturizer. 1. Look for oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizers to avoid clogging pores. 2. Opt for lightweight, gel-based moisturizers for oily or combination skin. 3. For dry skin, choose a hydrating formula with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. 4. If using acne treatments like benzoyl peroxide or retinoids, apply moisturizer to reduce dryness and irritation. 5. Apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp to lock in hydration. 3. Use acne-fighting ingredients. Incorporating acne-fighting ingredients into your skincare routine can significantly reduce breakouts and inflammation. Effective acne-fighting ingredients. 1. Salicylic acid. Helps unclog pores and exfoliates dead skin cells. 2. Benzoyl peroxide. Kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation. 3. Retinoids. Promote cell turnover and prevent clogged pores. 4. Niacinamide. Reduces redness and regulates oil production. 5. Tea tree oil. Has natural antibacterial properties to reduce acne-causing bacteria. 6. Azelaic acid. Helps fade post-acne marks and reduces inflammation. How to use them. 1. Start with one active ingredient and introduce new ones gradually to prevent irritation. 2. Use spot treatments on individual pimples rather than applying all over the face. 3. Apply sunscreen daily, especially when using retinoids or exfoliating acids. 4. Maintain a healthy diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in skin health. While there is no universal acne diet, certain foods can contribute to breakouts, while others help improve skin condition. Acne-friendly diet tips. 1. Avoid high glycemic foods like white bread, sugary snacks, and sodas, which can trigger breakouts. 2. Incorporate omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, to reduce inflammation. 3. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy skin. 4. Stay hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins. 5. Reduce dairy consumption, as some studies suggest dairy can contribute to acne. 6. Limit processed and greasy foods, which can lead to excess oil production. 5. Don't touch your face. Touching your face frequently transfers dirt, oil, and bacteria from your hands, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. How to avoid touching your face. 1. Be conscious of resting your face on your hands while working or studying. 2. Use a tissue if you need to scratch or wipe your face. 3. Wash your hands frequently to reduce the spread of bacteria. 4. Avoid picking or popping pimples, as it can lead to scarring and prolonged healing. 5. Keep your phone screen clean, as it can transfer bacteria to your skin. 6. Manage stress effectively. Stress can trigger hormonal fluctuations that increase oil production and exacerbate acne. Finding healthy ways to manage stress can improve your skin's condition. Stress management techniques. 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress levels. 2. Engage in regular exercise, such as yoga, jogging, or dancing. 3. Get adequate sleep, 7-9 hours per night, to support skin repair. 4. Engage in hobbies and activities that relax you, such as reading or painting. 5. Try deep breathing exercises to calm your nervous system. 6. Consider journaling or talking to a friend about stressors. 7. Change your pillowcases and towels regularly. Dirty pillowcases and towels can harbor bacteria, oil, and dead skin cells that contribute to acne breakouts. Tips for clean bedding and towels. 1. Change pillowcases at least twice a week to keep them free of oil and bacteria. 2. Use fragrance-free and hypoallergenic detergents to prevent skin irritation. 3. Wash your face towels after every 2-3 uses to maintain hygiene. 4. Consider silk pillowcases, which are less absorbent and reduce skin friction. 5. Keep hair clean and tied back to prevent hair oils from touching your skin. 8. Avoid overusing makeup. Makeup can contribute to acne if it clogs pores or contains irritants. Choosing the right products and following good makeup habits can help prevent breakouts. Makeup tips for acne-prone skin. 1. Use non-comedogenic and oil-free makeup products. 2. Remove makeup before going to bed using a gentle micellar water or oil-based cleanser. 3. Wash makeup brushes weekly to prevent bacteria buildup. 4. Opt for lightweight, breathable foundations instead of heavy, full-coverage formulas. 5. Avoid sharing makeup tools to prevent bacterial contamination. 6. Let your skin breathe by going makeup-free at least once a week. Final thoughts: clearing up acne doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 8 easy steps, you can create a skincare routine that promotes clearer, healthier skin. Remember, consistency is key, and it may take a few weeks to see visible results. If your acne persists despite these efforts, consider consulting a dermatologist for professional advice and treatment options. Adopting a holistic approach that includes skincare, diet, and lifestyle changes will significantly improve your chances of achieving a blemish-free complexion. Stay patient, and your skin will thank you.